Listen carefully. I will read the sentences twice. Can you catch and understand what I say? And for the third, I will show the text. Then you repeat after me, okay? I usually wake up early on weekdays. I usually wake up early on weekdays. I usually wake up early on weekdays. She decided to stay home because it was raining. She decided to stay home because it was raining. She decided to stay home because it was raining. He has been working here for 3 years. He has been working here for 3 years. He has been working here for 3 years. They often talk about their future plans. They often talk about their future plans. They often talk about their future plans. We didn't realize how important time was. We didn't realize how important time was. We didn't realize how important time was. The movie was interesting, but a bit confusing. The movie was interesting, but a bit confusing. The movie was interesting, but a bit confusing. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. She felt nervous before giving the presentation. She felt nervous before giving the presentation. She felt nervous before giving the presentation. He forgot to bring his wallet to work. He forgot to bring his wallet to work. He forgot to bring his wallet to work. They are looking for a better place to live. They are looking for a better place to live. They are looking for a better place to live. We learned a lot from our mistakes. We learned a lot from our mistakes. We learned a lot from our mistakes. The teacher explained the lesson very clearly. The teacher explained the lesson very clearly. The teacher explained the lesson very clearly. I was surprised by how fast time passed. I was surprised by how fast time passed. I was surprised by how fast time passed. She prefers working alone rather than in a team. She prefers working alone rather than in a team. She prefers working alone rather than in a team. He promised to call me after the meeting. He promised to call me after the meeting. He promised to call me after the meeting. Great job! Listen again and try to repeat without looking at the text. See you in the next video.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.